নমস্কার, আজকে সকল দর্শক বন্ধুদের নমস্কার জানিয়ে আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার 579th ভিডিও কাঁথার ওপর, আমাদের বেঙ্গল মেড কাঁথা, হাতে তৈরি এবং সমস্ত পিওর সিল্ক এন্ড তসরের ওপর। প্রথম শাড়ি থেকে শুরু করব। যেরকম অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল আপনারা জানেন আমি ব্যাঙ্গালোর সিল্ক দিয়ে শুরু করি। বি সিল্ক মানে ব্যাঙ্গালোর সিল্ক কিংবা বিষ্ণুপুরি কাতান, এই দুটো অপশনস থাকে সিল্কের ওপর। পিওর সিল্ক আজকের এপিসোড পুরোপুরি সিল্কের ওপর আর তসরের ওপরই যাবে পিওর। এটা পুরো হাতে কাজের মাল্টি কালার সুতো ইউজ করা হয়েছে দুটো বর্ডারে। সেন্টার প্যানেলটা প্লেন রাখা হয়েছে, দুটো সাইড ডাই করে সুতোর কাজ করা হয়েছে। ভীষণ সুন্দর পরিষ্কার কাজ, ভেরি প্রমিনেন্ট নিট ওয়ার্ক, মাল্টি-color threads used in the borders. The color is very bright and vibrant colors, and especially because of the center magenta color. The fabric today, all the sarees that I'll be showing is in pure silk or tussar. So this is the blouse piece in midnight blue. Pretty combination. Just one thing which I announce in every video because there are many new viewers maybe. So for the new viewers, so let me tell you, so you have to measure 5.5 meters of the fabric and then cut the blouse. Sometimes there may be only the border work and sometimes a full length blouse piece. Because there's so much of stitch, there may be shrinkage in the fabric and the blouse piece may not be there full, may not be. Sometimes there's 1 meter, sometimes there's 40 centimeter, sometimes 80, 70. So I always say 5.5 meters, measure the saree and then cut the rest of the fabric for the blouse. A nice pop-in blue color in Bangalore silk, our signature collection of bird katha with people tree leaves. Very pretty sari, very very pretty and artistic sari with all over beautiful flying birds, which is our signature collection. We have used flying birds in katha, in prints, in tussar embroidery, Parsi work, many other sarees as well. Our flying birds are our signature collection. Here comes the blouse piece. Both the sleeves and the back will have the work. The base fabric is a high quality, thick ply, Bangalore silk. Lovely saree, and especially the milk white flying birds are looking so prominent and pretty. For booking, just have to take the screenshot and WhatsApp only. 76030426696 is the WhatsApp booking number. First come, first serve basis. Only after you make the payment, we'll confirm your booking. And give me options as I'm, because there are many viewers, so do give an option like first choice, second choice, so it will be easy for me. And you, by the time you get you will be definitely getting the sari, because there are many stock, but single piece of all handwork saris. We don't make multiple pieces of single design katha, all single piece, but बहुत variety है. Showroom में जरूर आइएगा. It's a lovely woven silk. Look at the color combination. The stripe weaving in the pallu filled with katha work. Blouse piece comes in a shade of pink. The sari itself is woven in a 3D color. We say 3D because it's a 3-dimension, 3-color pattern, which is already woven. It's a very pretty sari, and mind it, so these saris are, they are done for months. It takes months to create this sari, so there may be 1 or 2 spots here and there, so you have to bear with it, because even after the wash, we do the initial wash, because it usually the karigars, they lie for, these are सुखाता है इसको गार्डन में या फील्ड में, तो थोड़ा सा वो मड मार्क लग जाता है। तो ये थोड़ा सा ये ध्यान में रखिए, ये काथा वर्क मंथ्स लगता है बनाने के लिए, 3-4 तो महीना मिनिमम फॉर सो मच ऑफ वर्क। सो ये थोड़ा सा गंदा हो जाते हैं, इसलिए हम लोग वॉश करते हैं, पॉलिश करते हैं, सब चीज करके ही देते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी 1-2 मार्क रह सकता है, तो वो थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर लीजिएगा। ज्यादा दिखेगा नहीं, बहुत प्रोमिनेंट मार्क होगा तो जरूर हम नहीं देंगे आपको, सब सारी आपका चेक होकर ही जाता है। All these Bangalore silk, and look at the beautiful shades. Bright colors, very pretty, and especially by now you know our workmanship. We are 29-year-old fashion house in Baliganj, Kolkata, and if you follow our YouTube videos and our Facebook page details, our Instagram page Sanskriti Kolkata, so you can understand our finish, our quality material that we use, premium quality products, finishing, design, service. We try to give our best to you. Yes, we are human being, थोड़ा इधर उधर होता है, लेकिन it's not intentional. Our deliveries are on time, until and unless there are few, like polish is pending, or maybe there are few holidays, because we are operational, but maybe the courier service has not come for pickup, तो थोड़ा इधर उधर हो जाता है, but in very very rare cases. So ये साड़ी भी बहुत खूबसूरत है, 3D काथा I'm showing you now. That was a green shade. This is a mustard yellow with a golden yellow, very pretty color combination, और इसका फ्लावर जो है ना, ये सिर्फ व्हाइट धागा से यूज किया है, सो ये बहुत सटल और सोबर, बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा है। ये हल्दी के लिए एक अच्छा साड़ी हो सकता है, इसमें ब्लैक धागा नहीं है, इसलिए ये बहुत खूबसूरत एक हल्दी साड़ी प्योर सिल्क का हो सकता है। ठीक है, अब आपका फेवरेट फोक काथा, गॉल्पो काथा, वर्ली काथा is so much in demand, and with this color combination is so unusual. So unusual. The border is a woven border with katha stitch. Guri ran katha. Guri means tiny. Ran means the katha stitch is basically run stitch. So it's a guri ran katha in the border, and the body is all over folk work. Look at the combination, purple and a viridian green. Very smart piece comes with this blouse piece. Lovely piece. I hope you like the sarees. Do let me know via comment, message or reviews how you like our products, our services, and I request you to send a feedback once you receive the product in hand. You're seeing it in the social media, seeing it online, but it would be great if you can just leave a line or two saying how you like the product once you receive it. That is very important. I always look forward to your messages. So मतलब इतना जैसे सुकून होता है ना कि आपको मिल जाने के बाद ये आपको अच्छा लगा, यही बहुत है, यही हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आपको पसंद आए मिलने के बाद। Though I show the best of collection, selected products, my taste of products I usually show in the YouTube and in the other videos, because every piece is handpicked by me from the store, and then we do the video. मेरा पर्सनल इन्वॉल्वमेंट सब स्टेप में है। क्या एपिसोड होगा, क्या हम इस एपिसोड में दिखाएंगे, कैसे दिखाएंगे, प्राइसिंग, डिजाइनिंग, so I'm involved in everything. You know, it's too much of hard work, but still I try to be connected with you because I'm mostly I answer the messages of 76030429696 messages. Mostly it stays with me until unless I'm shooting, then it's with my staff. And one more request. Okay, let's just see the sari first. It's a yellow color silk with village Gram Bangla motif throughout the border as well as the sari. So our store timing is 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. So whenever you are leaving a message in the other two numbers, the video call number and the 98311918280 number, so the staffs are not available after 8 o'clock. So if you, there have been a few messages where you have written that this message was already sent yesterday, but it was after 8 p.m. It was 9:30 p.m. or midnight. When the staffs are not, working, we have to give them relief also. So it's not their working hour. So maybe you are getting the message after the next day when we open. You are getting the message from them. But so please bear with that. There have been few rude messages that no reply, but please understand that our store timing is 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. So after that, you will not be getting the proper pictures or messages, but definitely the next day you will. In case we overlook, there may be mistakes, please do resend the message. Definitely my team will help you with the pictures or any video calls that you want to do. But in the 76030429696, I'm the owl who stays awake late night also. If I'm awake, even at 3 a.m., 4 a.m. in the morning, you will get a reply. I'm addicted to your messages. At a time, if I don't get at least 300-400 messages, I feel so scared कि मेरा customers कम हो गया, मेरा customers कम हुआ. 300-400 messages pending every minute, I like that. But कभी-कभी अगर 150-200 हो जाता है, हो तो जाता है कभी-कभी, तो तब बहुत मुझे लगता है कि क्या हुआ, कोई नहीं देख रहा है मेरा प्रोग्राम, कोई नहीं बुकिंग कर रहे हैं. तो I'm even after so many years, I'm still, it's kind of excitement, it's kind of look forward to all the getting. Basically in the live you will be able to see that I'm not very camera friendly, but when I'm messaging and when I'm showing the videos, when I'm working, I'm very happy. I can talk about the product for hours. Look at this. This is a partly pallu rust color sari. Such a beautiful silk sari. Very, very smart design, and how lovely the pleat is falling. It's a geometric katha center pleat. The pleats will be all in katha work and rest half upper yoke. From the upper yoke till the pallu, all over work. Very pretty with butta. It's a very, very smart jolchuri katha. Now I'll be showing you continuous few jolchuri kathas now. Jolchuri kathas, they look very pretty, and these work. This is the jolchuri work. Herringbone stitch and the stripe. Churi means lines type of thing. So it's a woven silk sari where we done katha work. Off-white color. Every pattern will be different. This is the blouse piece. Look at the work in the border. Nice prominent work in floral design. This is the pallu. Sundays we are closed. 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. is our working hour, and cash on delivery option we have only in Kolkata. outside Kolkata, it will go via courier. You have to pay the courier charges because it's not added in the product. The courier charges are applicable for all shipments. The menswear section is there and the jewelry section is available in the 2C Confil Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 branch. And we have the 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 branch, where both the branches has the tailoring unit. Very pretty silk katha, jolchuri blouse piece, very smart color. It's in a cobalt blue. Look at the work, nice. And you know, these are so soft, flowy, pure silk fabric, very comfortable, summer friendly, and the work is also very neat. This is a very traditional katha actually. These are very traditional katha work. Now we are doing fusion kathas also a lot, but these are traditional ones. Jolchuri katha again. So many pretty designs in Jolchuri katha. Last time there were many orders. I had only 2-3 pieces. Now बहुत stock आया है. Katha का देख लीजिए. Achol and blouse piece. See the sober, subtle tone-on-tone work. Our first international shipping was a katha stitch sari. First international, I still remember. And I was looking out for courier people who can ship internationally. US was the first katha stitch sari we had shipped online years back. Then our famous half and half katha was so famous. Every in the puja, at least there were hundreds of pictures wearing only half and half katha stitch saris. But it was such a pleasure then. There was no, the bad effects of social media was not there at that time. But anyway, good and bad sabhi mein hota hai. Anyway, so this is a Rangoli katha in a Desi Tassar zari border. Rangoli katha, Desi Tassar zari border. The blouse piece, बहुत sober साड़ी है ना? Color भी बहुत सुंदर है इसका. It's a nice dark red color. Rangoli and nice. The work is only in a leaf pattern in white. Zari border and the pallu. Number 13. So the prices and sizes, the prices and the number is all mentioned. So take the screenshot and WhatsApp. After you make the payment, give your name, address, telephone number, PIN code. Kindly don't delay in giving the details. And we will courier it to you after 2 to 3 days. Because वो checking होता है, ironing होता है, packing होता है, 1-2 दिन लग जाता है. बहुत पैकिंग करना पड़ता है अब. अच्छा, this is another bird katha in Tassar. Rangoli bird katha in Tassar. Blouse in charcoal black color. कैसे लग रहा है? And as I say, the finish. Can you see how neat the filling of the line is? It's just looking so pretty. ये जो एक effect आ रहा है, neck ऐसे नहीं कि सारा stitch इधर 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 same pattern में कर दिया. The neck of the bird is in a different angle. The wings are in a different angle. Every petal of the lotus, ये lotus leaf का every वो veins अलग अलग पैटर्न में, अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में स्टिचेस गया है, इसीलिए इसका लुक कैसा आ रहा है। ये छोटा छोटा डिटेल्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अब ये बहुत सुंदर केठिया टसर है, ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी। It has a texture, it's pure tussar. It has a texture with a very subtle tie and dye and katha work. See the saree. All sustainable fabrics, beautiful sarees, handwork. If you want to see our katha menswear, dhoti, jackets, kurtas, so you can do video call or you can opt for pictures. Pallu, and the blouse piece. You can wear a red blouse with the border. Very pretty, no? See the peacock plume design motif. Very nice sari in desi tussar. Tussar with Worli katha, folk motive, golpo katha. कितना डिमांड है, कितना डिमांड है, बाप रे, कितना साल से हम ये दिखाते जा रहे हैं और अभी भी आप लोग मांगते जा रहे हैं, लेकिन बहुत टाइम लगता है क्योंकि ये छोटा छोटा मोटिव का पैटर्न है। बहुत खूबसूरत साड़ी है ऑफ वाइट कलर टसर में, और ये है ब्लाउज पीस का बॉर्डर। पसंद आए तो जरूर पिक्चर लेकर व्हाट्सएप कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, डू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर वीडियोस। बहुत हार्ड वर्क जाता है, इतना सारा टीम, फुल टीम इन्वॉल्व है, कितना सारा कारीगर है। अगर पसंद आए, आपको जेन्युइनली पसंद आए तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। और ये है उसी का ब्लैक कलर, डिजाइन तो डिफरेंट है लेकिन गॉल्पो काथा है। इसमें रेड पाइपिंग टैसल अटैच्ड है, नंबर 18। We will not be able to take any katha pre-bookings, okay? So don't request for pre-booking of handwork sarees. सेम नहीं हो पाता है क्योंकि बहुत कारीगर है। हमारा संस्कृति का ये काथा का कारीगर बहुत बहुत कारीगर है, और ये 4-5 महीना लगता है। कौन साड़ी कौन कारीगर को हम देकर बनाए, याद रखना नहीं पॉसिबल होता है। तो इसलिए, और सेम कारीगर चेंज हो जाएगा ना तो लुक और पैटर्न, डिजाइन, हाथ का काम भी चेंज हो जाता है। तो इसलिए काथा का हम ऑर्डर्स नहीं ले सकते, लेकिन एवरी मंथ आई एम डूइंग एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 काथा वीडियोस, सो वॉच द वीडियोस। तो हर बार अच्छा अच्छा साड़ीज ही हम दिखाएंगे। होलसेल के लिए 7603042696 में कांटेक्ट कीजिएगा, बट यू हैव टू शो योर विजिटिंग कार्ड दैट you have any boutique or you want to, you're not for personal use, for resale, so you can just send me your visiting card and we'll tell you the terms and conditions. Magenta and coffee, amazing shade. Desi tussar, amazing shade. Tussar Rangoli, charcoal black border, blouse piece, रंगोली काथा भी बहुत इन डिमांड है। देसी टसर है ना सुंदर? काम कैसा लग रहा है? पैटर्न, डिजाइन, कॉन्सेप्ट, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन सब मिलाकर आपको कैसा लग रहा है? जरूर कमेंट कीजिएगा और शेयर कीजिएगा थोड़ा सा वीडियो। देखिए ये वाला अनदर रंगोली कॉन्सेप्ट इन टसर, बर्ड सीरीज। इतना भरा हुआ बर्ड करना, लेकिन बहुत ही अच्छा कारीगर नहीं होगा तो ये फिनिशिंग नहीं आएगा। Once again, the address 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19। दोनों का स्टॉक अलग है, विजिट कीजिएगा। जामिल लेन में थोड़ा सा बजट फ्रेंडली साड़ीज आपको ज्यादा मिलेगा, बहुत सारा स्टॉक है। और कॉर्नफील्ड रोड में भी फैंसी आइटम, ब्राइडल कलेक्शन, ये सारा आपको ज्यादा कॉर्नफील्ड रोड ब्रांच में मिल जाएगा। तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली विजिट, बोथ आर क्लोज बाय। डू विजिट आवर ब्रांचेस, आवर स्टाफ्स विल बी रेडीली देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट। टेलरिंग यूनिट इज आल्सो देयर इन बोथ द ब्रांचेस। This is the pallu, such a pretty sari. Very pretty sari. Such prominent, beautiful floral border. And the blouse piece, you can wear a rust blouse or a green blouse with the sleek pretty border and flaunt any of your थोड़ा सा जो लॉन्ग ज्वेलरी है ना, ये आप इसके साथ पहन सकते हो क्योंकि ऊपर का बॉर्डर नैरो है ना, तो बहुत खूबसूरत लगेगा। वेरी एलिगेंट प्रिटी साड़ी, देसी टसर। सो ये बेज कलर में बहुत रिक्वेस्ट आता है, बेज में वर्जिन कलर टसर में दिखाने के लिए, तो अब आपके लिए ये सारा वर्जिन कलर टसर है। देसी टसर, राधा कृष्ण इन द पल्ला with blouse piece. Every sari I'm opening for you so that you can see the work, the pattern, the design. Next is the Rajasthani girl. ये सब थोड़ा सा आजकल चलता है, थीम बेस्ड, थोड़ा डिफरेंट पैटर्न, डिफरेंट डिजाइन, क्वर्की डिजाइन्स, अच्छा लगता है पहनने के बाद, अगर काम और डिजाइन अच्छा हो तो। बहुत 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 खूबसूरत सब साड़ी है टसर में। We have the couple sets also. Like if you are selecting this, we'll match you a dhoti kurta or a jacket, so you can twine with your better half. Number 25, coffee, burgundy, turquoise blue, cobalt blue, very pretty sari. These color charts are so rare. Katha and good katha in good quality sari, only in Sanskriti. Absolutely amazing combination. Amazing. Orange to coral to brown. बहुत खूबसूरत कॉम्बिनेशन है टसर में, with the blouse piece. सिल्क टसर है ये, एक थ्रेड सिल्क है, प्योर सिल्क, एंड एक थ्रेड टसर है, इसलिए इतना सॉफ्ट भी है इसमें. लवली. Coffee and blue. If you want to gift to somebody, we have our custom made gift tag where we can add your message and send it. If you want us to write a note on your behalf, we will do that. बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत variety of colors. I'm showing you concept like border pallu, small butta, only border pallu, beige में, जाल में, bird design, थीम बेस्ड डिजाइन्स, बहुत वैरायटी हम दिखा रहे हैं. इतना सारा व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं हर दिन, तो इसलिए आपका हर चॉइस के ऊपर हमारा स्टॉक है. हर जिसको जो पसंद आए आप वैसा देख सकते हैं. टाई एंड डाई काथा ऑल ओवर विद पल्ला वर्क. Blouse piece, full jacket style design blouse in red, because the achol has red and so does the blouse piece. Look at the body, red buttas, flowers, खूब सुंदर color combination, mustard with olive with a red pallu, red blouse. Very nice sari. So all these are tussars. Again, this is also another desi tussar with zari border. Color is a mehendi green all over with mustard pallu, mustard blouse piece. हर साड़ी में अलग अलग डिजाइन है, अलग अलग पैटर्न है, कॉम्बिनेशंस. महीना भर का हार्ड वर्क, एफर्ट, स्ट्रेस ऑन द आईज, सब मिलाकर ये इतना खूबसूरत सब आपके लिए. 29. Lastly, the one that's hanging. Now, can you relate to this something? This is our Bengali Jamai Shoshti theme. Jamai Shoshti theme, where the daughter's husbands are given a grand treat by the in-laws, mother-in-law. So this is, you know, the son-in-law brings the fish and the daughter brings the mithai, sweets, for the in-laws, for her mother and the in-law family. So it's just our Jamai Shoshti, it's a Bengali theme base. So just because the Jamai Shoshti is coming, so it's just a concept of a theme base, Jamai Shoshti theme base sari. It's a very smart piece, and this is the blouse piece with work. 13,500 ইলিশ নিয়ে জামাই আসছে। আর রসগোল্লার ভার মেয়ের হাতে। লোভ লাগছে তো? আমার লাগছে। আচ্ছা, and this is another sari, silk with reverse katha. Silk reverse katha in black with the blouse piece, black with border. Bangalore silk reverse katha, black with border, blouse piece. 10,500 is the black color Bangalore silk. And this Jamai Shoshti Desi Tassar sari, Jamai Shoshti Desi Tassar sari, 13,500. 13,500 Jamai Shoshti sari. And the tassar that I'm wearing, usika color, now I'll show you. Beautiful, all over kalamkari print, discharge with katha work. Bird, flowers, all over katha outline with sequins. The border is also with katha work with a crochet lace. Price 15,500. Throughout the sari there will be embroidery. Throughout the sari katha work. Comes with this blouse piece. Extremely sober, very sober, summery colored in a light brown fudge color. Very pretty sari. You will love the feel, the quality, the crochet border. Overall look of the sari is very, very smart. 15,500. Color option, this fuchsia color, pinkish tone, mauvish pink. Pallu, basically it's all over work. Comes with the blouse piece. Number 31, 15,500. 31, 15,500. And the one that I'm wearing a sky color of the similar sari. This is also 15,500. Love the pastel shade and all over work. For booking, take the screenshot and WhatsApp only. 7603042696. No phone calls. You can WhatsApp, you'll definitely get a reply. 15,500. The neck piece that I'm wearing, 3,000. The mala, double line mala, 3,300. Comes with the earring. Very pretty Marquis type of a pearl setting earring. 3,300 is the set double line mala. 3,300 is the set with the earring. And the bracelet that I'm wearing, 2,990 with stone setting, filigree work. It's, you know, it's adjustable. You can just open it from here. 2,990 is the bracelet. So thank you. Hope you loved this Katha episode today. Namaskar.